Once upon a time, there was a farmer in a village. He had 4 sons. They wandered around all day and did not work. Because of this, farmer was very worried. He explained a lot to his children, but they did not understand. One day, farmer said to his children that I have treasure inside the field. Take out what is hidden and live a comfortable life. Children were digging the fields from morning till evening, but nothing was found. Exhausted, they sowed seeds in the ground. After a few days, piles of grain started from the same ground. Now they know that farming with hard work yields fruits. Moral: there is honor in hard work. Man gets respect through hard work. God helps those who help themselves. Courage men help God.